Hello everyone. Welcome to EduLite YouTube channel. How are all of you? Hoping everyone is fine. Dear students, today we are going to cover 8th Standard Science, Part 2, Chapter number 11, Chemical Effects of Electric Current. Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Exercise. First, fill in the blanks. A. Most liquids that conduct electricity are solutions of acids, bases, and salts. B. The passage of an electric current through a solution causes chemical effects. C. If you pass current through copper sulfate solution, copper gets deposited on the plate connected to the negative terminal of the battery. D. The process of depositing a layer of any desired metal on another material by means of electricity is called electroplating. When the free ends of a tester are dipped into a solution, the magnetic needle shows deflection. Can you explain the reason? Answer. When the tester's free ends are dipped into a solution, if the solution is a good conductor of electricity, current flows through it. This current creates a magnetic field around the wire, causing the needle of the tester to deflect. The deflection indicates that the liquid conducts electricity. Name 3 liquids, which when tested in the manner shown in Fig. 11.9 may cause the magnetic needle to deflect. Answer: lemon juice contains acid, salt water contains dissolved salt, vinegar contains acetic acid. The bulb does not glow in the setup shown in the figure. Let's list the possible reasons for this. First, the liquid may be a poor conductor of electricity. Second, the circuit connections might be loose. Third, the battery could be weak or even discharged. Fourth, the electrodes might not be properly inserted into the liquid. If the liquid is a poor conductor, it does not allow sufficient current to flow, and that prevents the bulb from glowing. A tester is used to check the conduction of electricity through 2 liquids, labeled A and B. It is found that the bulb of the tester glows brightly for liquid A while it glows very dimly for liquid B. So you would conclude that liquid A is a better conductor than liquid B. Since the bulb glows brightly for liquid A and dimly for liquid B, liquid A must be a better conductor of electricity. Does pure water conduct electricity? No, pure water does not conduct electricity because it lacks free ions. To make it conducting, we can add a small amount of salt, acid, or base, which releases free ions and allows electricity to pass through. In case of a fire, before the firemen use the water hoses, they shut off the main electrical supply for the area. But why do they do this? Well, water is a good conductor of electricity. If the electrical supply is on, water from the hose can come into contact with electrical wires, causing electric shocks or short circuits. To prevent this, the electricity is turned off before using water. A child staying in a coastal region tests the drinking water and also the seawater with his tester. He finds that the compass needle deflects more in the case of seawater. Can you explain the reason? Seawater contains a higher concentration of dissolved salts, making it a better conductor of electricity. The increased number of free ions in seawater allows a stronger current to pass, causing greater deflection of the magnetic needle compared to drinking water. Is it safe for the electrician to carry out electrical repairs outdoors during a heavy downpour? No, it is not safe. Rainwater can conduct electricity, increasing the risk of electric shock. Wet surfaces also reduce insulation, making electrical repairs dangerous in rainy conditions. Paheli had heard that rainwater is as good as distilled water. So she collected some rainwater in a clean glass tumbler and tested it using a tester. To her surprise, she found that the compass needle showed deflection. What could be the reasons? Well, rainwater is not as pure as distilled water. It contains dissolved impurities and gases from the atmosphere, which provide free ions that allow the passage of electricity, causing the compass needle to deflect. Prepare a list of objects around you that are electroplated. All right, here are some examples. Gold-plated jewelry, silver-plated utensils, chrome-plated car parts, nickel-plated coins, and tin-plated food cans. The process that you saw in Activity 11.7 is used for purification of copper. A thin plate of pure copper and a thick rod of impure copper are used as electrodes. Copper from the impure rod is sought to be transferred to the thin copper plate. Which electrode should be attached to the positive terminal of the battery and why? The impure copper rod should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The reason is, during electrolysis, copper ions from the impure rod dissolve into the solution and get deposited on the pure copper plate, which is connected to the negative terminal. This helps in the purification of copper by removing impurities. So we have seen the question answers in this chapter. If you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you again in the next video. Thank you to all. Bye-bye.